Hello, the Gallivant and Gingers here with another restaurant review. And this isn't just any restaurant, this is a Chattanooga landmark. If you're in Chattanooga, you've got to stop by Wally's on McCallie Avenue. This is one of Chattanooga's oldest restaurants. This place is always crowded and luckily they have plenty of seating. On May 10th, 1937, Wally Alexander opened Wally's Drive-In, and the drive-in closed in 1972, and it was turned into a dine-in restaurant. And there is so much history hanging on the walls of this place. This is all at the front. You can see it while you're waiting to be seated. I will show you more before we leave because we are getting seated quickly. Here is the menu, and you can't beat Wally's daily breakfast and lunch specials. In May of 1989, they opened a Wally's in East Ridge as well. There's a history of Wally's on the back of the menu. Steve ordered biscuits and gravy and also a fried salmon biscuit. I ordered pancakes and bacon with orange juice. I thought I ordered a blueberry pancake because let me tell y'all, their blueberry pancakes are the best ever. But Steve said I ordered a regular pancake. But these are good too. They're just not as good as the blueberries. If you're in a hurry, this isn't the place to stop for breakfast. You better stick to fast food places. But if you're looking to sit down and enjoy a made-to-order breakfast or lunch and have time to chit-chat with friends, then this is the place for you. I've never seen them not busy, but you will get delicious food, great service at a decent price every time. Now, if you're in a hurry, you can always do a carry-out order and pick it up. I could spend hours going around the restaurant looking at all the historical photos on the wall, but I'm sure customers wouldn't appreciate me standing over them and also taking photos of photos. So in order to see everything else, you're just going to have to visit them yourself, but you won't regret it. Wally's is located at 1600 McCallie Avenue in Chattanooga. It's about a half a mile from the zoo and the National Cemetery. Well, that's our review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join us next time as we continue recording history, one road trip at a time.